Hey guys, Drew Plays here, and today, this will be my first review about a knife. I've really wanted this knife for a while. It's a Swiss Army knife Huntsman, and if I can show what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it. Whoop, whoop. There it is. There it is, guys. Oh wow. Alright. I'm trying to. Nope, that's not gonna work. How about this? Nope. I need something to hold it like that. Hang on. Here, I'm back. What about this? Now it'll work. Perfect. My mom's outside mowing, so don't mind that. So we have I didn't get the I don't know my English though. What the freaking word? What is it? The traditional red. It came in black because I didn't have like $37. I found this one cheap on eBay. And if the person who's watching or I bought it from is watching, then thank you. So I'm gonna open, or first let's go to the back. Start smallest to biggest. I mean, that's what I usually do. So we got the corkscrew, which I have used once on a rip-off Swiss Army knife, and it snapped right in half for some reason. It's pretty sharp, and what a lot of Swiss Army knives don't have if you can like really focus on like right before that top part right there is a hole where you put a little safety pin or something in, which is very rare on Swiss Army knives. And then you got the multifunctional hook, which I guess you can go at, Gary stuff, I guess. And then we got the reamer slash armor. Hang on. I don't know what it is. Well, I guess it's for like leather sewing. And then you got this for like a fire starter. Which is very useful because I like fire starters. And then we got first, and then we go with these. We got the traditional toothpick, and then the tweezers. Go in. Oh guys, I really like this. And alright. I'll start off with this side and then go on to this side. We have the bottle opener with a wire stripper and a flathead screwdriver. I messed something up. What I do? Alright, there we go. Yeah. Well, what I do? Alright, put that in. That's a little weird. Oh, we got the can opener. It's sharp. That's what this high quality right there. You got the thingy to go in the can itself. And we got another smaller flathead screwdriver, which I use very much. And so with this one. And then we got the scissors, which on some other pocket knives, they're just little twigs of metal. But this one, they're a lot better than twigs. Let me show you. Easily. Look at that. And what we got after the scissors is the saw, the two-sided saw, which is very big, very sharp. Another pretty good quality thing. I got this for like $24, I think. Yeah, I think so. So it was like a really good deal. And then we got the big blade, the bigger blade, which I call the knife. My cousin Daniel Garlish gave me a Swiss Army knife. I have no idea which one it is. Actually, let me go get that real quick. Well, I'll show you that after the review. It has a point, very sharp one too, and a very sharp knife. Sometimes when you put in the knife, you slam it down like that. I think that makes it dull, so I don't do that. And I really want to keep it sharp. And then I don't call this the smaller blade. I call this the wood carver knife, which, yeah, you can call the smaller blade. Which, same, very sharp on the top and very sharp. So, and then lastly we got this thingy, or keychain or something, and then the Swiss Army knife logo. That's my Swiss Army knife Huntsman. Now let me go get the other one that my cousin gave me. I'm back. Kind of. Here it is. The tweezers and tool pick are gone. It does not have the safety pick hole. Instead of oh my god, I can't say corkscrew. It has a Phillips screwdriver. And then we have the reamer, reamer without the sewing hole. And it's a little different than the other one, I think. I think that's an evolution, because I really think that this one is older. Because, I mean, I looked up like almost every Swiss Army knife, and I have not found what it was. So it must be an older version of, I think, I don't know one. We got that. It's in pretty good shape. It has this. Damn, burnt it. dude, dude. We got the can opener, the bottle opener with the full the wire stripper, and then the flathead screwdriver. Guys, I can't talk today. Like, my mouth is being. Where's the scissors? We got to say, oh, that's not scissors. Oh, this is scissors. Boop. Same skizzars. Very high quality. The scissors, a lot. I feel like it's one of the best things people use on Swiss Army knife. My grandma, I showed her this, and she said, "Do you know how much I need scissors?" And she said, like, a lot of things, like a lot. But there's some really sad about it. You know, what have you done? Look at this dude. Does he have a point? He doesn't have a point. Guys, what knife doesn't have a point? I mean, yeah, it's another flathead screwdriver, but still. I mean, he has it on this one too! Dude. What have you been doing to your knives, dude? Really? I don't think it's very responsible to do that to your Swiss Army knives. Do these fit in it though? The tweezer stuff. Tweezers. Barely. It's like really tight in there. But I fit it, and it's like really dirty in there, I guess, with dirt in it. But yeah, that was my review with my two new awesome knives. If I knew Daniel's YouTube name, I would give him a really big shout out. But thanks, Dan, for this, and thanks, Mom, for this. Well, mostly me, but my mom bought on her account, and I have to give her the money. Yeah. If you're asking about the bracelet, my sister makes really good ones. Yeah. So don't judge me, dude. I like this. I like this. Don't judge me, people. Thank you for this. And I hope you guys love this video, because I really like Swiss Army knives, outdoor gear, like classic cars. Yeah. Getting over. I really liked today's video. I haven't uploaded a video in a while because a lot of stuff's happening. My mom got a new table. She got a new TV holder. Look at that. The TV looks a lot bigger. I don't want to show because it's like an ad is on, and I paused it in the middle of it, so I don't want to show that. She got a new mirror. Let me share. I got another one of those. My brother's playing Fortnite. No. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Let me say hi. I have a GoPro, but it's like an older version of one, so I can't I can't figure out how to connect it to my tablet or phone. My dad has tried it many times. Yeah. Cali Doge, reaching on, Austin's underwear for. Oh, shy. She's shy. She is shy. I hope you liked today's video, and please sub, please. If we get 50 subs, I'll do a very special video, like a very special one. Once we get 50, then we'll do 100, 150, and we'll go on like that. Once we get to 1,000, if I even do, I will lose my mind. So, bye guys.